seesaw vine in a sparkling way. It twisted and turned to the sky so high. They climbed it slow, past clouds drifting by. Branch by branch they